Yeehaw! Howdy, partner. There's a place where history whispers through ancient oaks, where the night sky stretches endlessly over forgotten trails, and where every twist in the road reveals something unexpected. This is Texas, but not the Texas you think you know. Today, we're venturing into the heart of the Lone Star State to uncover its best-kept secrets. From hidden corners that time forgot to breathtaking vistas that defy imagination, join us as we reveal the places in Texas that few have dared to explore. Ready for a journey into the unknown? Let's begin. Yeehaw! Okay, before we jump into the best places to visit in Texas, let's take a moment to appreciate what makes this state truly one of a kind. Let us know in the comments which facts surprised you the most. Bigger than you think. Texas isn't just big, it's massive. In fact, it's the second largest state in the U.S., covering an area of over 268,000 square miles. To put that into perspective, you could fit the entire country of France inside Texas and still have room left over. You probably never heard about that before. That's why you should keep watching our videos. We always have exciting surprises and fascinating facts waiting for you. Driving across the state from east to west can take over 12 hours, and in that time, you'd pass through landscapes as varied as pine forests, rolling plains, desert, and even coastal beaches. Six Flags over Texas. The name of the famous amusement park chain, Six Flags, is a nod to 6 different nations that have governed Texas throughout its history. These include Spain, France, Mexico, the Republic of Texas, the Confederate States, and the United States. This rich and varied history has left a lasting impact on Texas culture, which you can still see in everything from the architecture to the food. So when you visit Six Flags, remember, you're walking through a state that has seen a lot of change over the centuries. Home of the world's largest rodeo. Texas is synonymous with rodeo, and nowhere is this more evident than at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. This annual event, held every spring, is the largest rodeo in the world, attracting over 2 million visitors. It's more than just a rodeo, it's a full-fledged celebration of Texas culture. Visitors can enjoy traditional rodeo events like bull riding and barrel racing, as well as concerts from some of the biggest names in country music, livestock exhibitions, a carnival, and some of the best barbecue you'll ever taste. Pecan Paradise. Pecans are a big deal in Texas. Not only is the pecan tree the state's official tree, but Texas is also the largest producer of pecans in the United States. The town of San Saba, known as the pecan capital of the world, is home to numerous pecan orchards that produce some of the finest nuts you'll ever taste. Pecan pie is a staple dessert across Texas, especially during the holidays, and you'll also find pecans featured in everything from pralines to salads. So when you're in Texas, don't forget to enjoy a taste of this local. With all these fascinating facts, it's clear that Texas is full of surprises and hidden stories. But the real magic lies in the places that make this state so unforgettable. From stunning natural landscapes to historic towns brimming with character, Texas has something for everyone. So, without further ado, let's dive into the best places you absolutely have to visit in the Lone Star State. And as always, we keep the best for last, so stay with us until we get to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to AdvenTourTravel.channel, your window to the beauty of the world. Number 8. Galveston. Imagine a place where golden beaches meet rich history and every sunset paints the sky with a new story. Welcome to Galveston, a coastal gem that beckons with its blend of sun-soaked shores and vibrant culture. Stretching over 32 miles of pristine beaches, this island city is a haven for sun-seekers and ocean lovers alike. But Galveston offers more than just breathtaking views. It's a place where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. Wander through the Strand Historic District, where 19th century architecture tells tales of a bygone era, or thrill your senses at Galveston Island Historic Pleasure Pier, with its exciting rides and nostalgic boardwalk fun. Moody Gardens awaits with its spectacular rainforest pyramid, dazzling aquarium, and immersive 3D theater. Whether you're exploring historic streets, savoring fresh seafood, or simply soaking up the coastal ambiance, Galveston promises an unforgettable Texas escape. Number 7. Austin. Austin, the vibrant capital of Texas, is a city where creativity and culture thrive. Often referred to as the live music capital of the world, Austin offers an eclectic music scene that spans every genre, from country to blues to indie and electronic. Stroll down 6th Street, where live music spills from every venue, or catch a performance at the iconic Austin city limits. But Austin's charm extends beyond its music. Explore the city's dynamic art scene, with murals, galleries, and public art installations, adding a splash of color to every corner. The city is also renowned for its food scene. Don't miss out on its famous food trucks and barbecue joints, or the diverse culinary delights that reflect Austin's rich cultural tapestry. For a taste of the outdoors, take a leisurely paddle on Lady Bird Lake, hike through the Barton Creek Greenbelt, or visit the picturesque Zilker Park. Austin blends the laid-back charm of a college town with the energy of a bustling metropolis, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler. Number 6. San Antonio. Step into a city where history echoes through charming streets and every corner tells a story of Texas's vibrant past. San Antonio is a captivating blend of historical significance and cultural richness, where the spirit of the Old West meets modern vibrancy. Begin your journey at the historic Alamo, where the brave stand of Texan defenders became a symbol of independence. But San Antonio offers much more than this iconic landmark. Stroll along the scenic Riverwalk, a lush winding pathway lined with delightful cafes, boutiques, and stunning views. Dive into the lively atmosphere of Market Square, a bustling hub of Mexican culture with colorful crafts and tantalizing street food. Explore the San Antonio Missions National Historical Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to experience the serenity and beauty of 4 historic Spanish missions. With its blend of heritage, culture, and charm, San Antonio invites you to discover a unique side of Texas that's rich in history and full of life. Number 5. Fredericksburg. Picture a town where the enchanting allure of German heritage meets the welcoming embrace of Texan hospitality, crafting a unique and unforgettable experience. Welcome to Fredericksburg, a picturesque gem nestled in the heart of the Texas Hill Country. This enchanting town is renowned for its vibrant blend of old-world charm and modern delights. Stroll down Main Street, where you'll discover an array of unique boutiques, cozy cafes, and delightful wine tasting rooms that showcase the region's rich viticultural heritage. Fredericksburg is also home to stunning vineyards and wineries, making it a paradise for wine enthusiasts eager to sample local varieties. For a taste of history, visit the Pioneer Museum Complex to explore the town's German roots and early settler stories. Surrounded by rolling hills and scenic landscapes, Fredericksburg offers a serene escape with a touch of elegance and a warm, welcoming spirit. Number 4. Houston. Step into a city where innovation meets diversity, crafting a dynamic urban landscape full of surprises. Welcome to Houston, Texas's vibrant and sprawling metropolis. As the 4th largest city in the U.S., Houston boasts a wealth of experiences, from its renowned museum district featuring the Houston Museum of Natural Sciences and the Museum of Fine Arts, to a culinary scene that spans from Tex-Mex to gourmet international fare. Explore lively neighborhoods like Midtown and the Heights, or catch a game at Minute Maid Park with the Houston Astros. With its blend of cultural richness, culinary delights, and endless excitement, Houston offers something for everyone. Number 3. Big Bend National Park. Prepare to be awestruck by the majestic beauty of Big Bend National Park, where nature's grandeur unfolds across dramatic landscapes. This vast expanse in West Texas is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. From the towering Chisos Mountains to the sweeping desert vistas and the winding Rio Grande, Big Bend offers a breathtaking array of scenery. Hike through the stunning canyons of the Lost Mine Trail, marvel at the colorful rock formations in the Santa Elena Canyon, or immerse yourself in the park's night skies, renowned for their clarity and starry brilliance. With its diverse ecosystems and abundant wildlife, Big Bend is a haven for adventure and exploration, promising an unforgettable experience in the heart of Texas. Number 2. Dallas. Dive into the vibrant pulse of Dallas, where modern sophistication meets rich cultural heritage in an electrifying urban landscape. One of Texas's most iconic cities, Dallas is a treasure trove of attractions and experiences. Explore the bustling Arts District, home to the Dallas Museum of Art and the stunning AT&T Performing Arts Center, where world-class performances and exhibitions await. Stroll through the historic West End district to see landmarks like Dealey Plaza, the site of President John F. Kennedy's assassination, and delve into the city's intriguing history. For a taste of Dallas's culinary scene, indulge in everything from upscale dining to famous Tex-Mex and barbecue. With its mix of culture, history, and culinary delights, Dallas promises a dynamic experience that captures the essence of modern Texas. Number 1. Fort Worth. Lastly, Fort Worth, where the charm of the Old West meets the vibrancy of modern culture, creating a unique Texas experience that's both historic and lively. Known as the City of Cowboys and Culture, Fort Worth offers a captivating mix of heritage and contemporary flair. Begin your journey in the Stockyards National Historic District, where you can witness the daily cattle drive and explore historic saloons and shops that echo the city's cowboy roots. For a dose of culture, visit the Fort Worth Culture District, home to the Kimball Art Museum and the Modern Art Museum, showcasing world-class art in striking architectural spaces. Don't miss the Fort Worth Zoo, ranked among the best in the country, or the bustling Sundance Square, where dining, shopping, and entertainment converge. With its blend of historic charm and modern attractions, Fort Worth is a must-visit destination that beautifully captures the spirit of Texas. Well, which city deserves number 1 on the list in your opinion? Tell us in the comments. And we hope you've enjoyed discovering the best places to visit in Texas with us. From historic towns to natural wonders, there's always something new and exciting to explore. For more stunning destinations and travel tips that will inspire your next adventure, make sure to check out our channel. We're constantly uncovering beautiful spots and hidden gems around the globe. Don't forget to share your thoughts about Texas in the comments section down below. Until next time, keep your wanderlust alive and stay curious. Yeehaw!